Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sofie and in today's video I'm going to unbox my huge package from Stradivarius. It's been a while, but it's time for an extra large Stradivarius haul. So let's get into the video. The first item is a leather dress and I really love the A-line skirt and it's super cute. It really fits like a glove and it's still, after maybe 7 days, smells like the Stradivarius stores. If someone knows why the stores have this specific smell or scent, let me know. Another leather item. I'm really into leather lately. So it's a brown blazer and I kind of love it. It fits and I'm starting to like oversized clothing, but also be prepared for a lot of random items. And the first random item is this pajama top. It's super soft. It's, I think, soft touch material and it's so comfy and I love warm long sleeves. Next up, I'm not sure if I'm going to sleep in this or if I'm going to actually wear it. So this is a low-rise mini skirt and I'm feeling the trend, yes. I could also wear it with like the top I'm wearing right now. This one's from Zara. It's super soft and comfy. Love it. Then the next random item isn't a bikini, although it kind of looks like it. Remember those early 2000s butterfly tops? Well, I got one myself. This one is a size medium. There was no small left and it looks kind of big, but I'm happy with the extra coverage. So yeah, this is the top. I'm so curious to see how it looks like when I put it on. So this knitted vest is super comfy. I have one in green, I think. I have a similar one in green and I just really love how comfy they are. I'm always cold, so this is a must-have for me. Then the next random item. So this scarf is very Y2K. That's the only reason why I got it. It was super cheap and I thought that could be fun. Maybe for like an Euphoria lookbook. The next item is this see-through and also super soft button-up shirt. I really love it. I could also style it for a meeting. It's casual and also business at the same time. I could even combine it with a beige skirt. Time for another random item. I got a blanket, but it's so cute. Look at this. It's beige. I think it's not like white, so I think it's more like a beige tone with black flowers. I really love it. The next item is another comfy knitted vest. And now the last item, another warm knitted vest cardigan, and it's this one. It has like a gradient effect. I hope it's as comfy as it looks like. And that's everything I got from Stradivarius. I hope to see you again next week for another video. And now I'm going to stop shopping that much. But I can't promise you anything. See you next time. Bye bye.